Okay, so me and my mom, or like, choice of a hair today. I want tomorrow on my walk, so we're in the kitchen right now. So me and my mom trying to see that's what they said would be fine. So we're going to set that. So basically we have to cut the apples, which I will show you some parts. We have to use this machine. Basically, I'm doing this one hand right now, so I don't mind if it's bad. You know what? You can't see, sorry. This is really, really sticky. Yeah, I can't do it right now. But you pull this back. The stem of the apple goes right into there, and then you just like twirl it, and this cuts it, and this you have to clink it. But since we have wooden countertops, I want you to use one of these sheet pans. So I'll be back washing the apples. Okay, so we got some more apples. My mom's gonna go get one more basket. Okay, if you guys are wondering where'd you get all these apples, it's from my grandpa's house because he has an apple tree. And then we're gonna put some baking soda on top of them, and then yeah. So now I put the baking soda. Now we have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. My mother has said. Wait, this one looks like it was cooked. Yeah, where's the reddest apple? It's in there. This is the reddest apple. And also we found earwig. There was a bunch of earwigs in the tree. Yeah. So squeaky. Do you want to cut that out?
All the way through that.
Do you want to cut that?
Yes.
Or we put it, or this one's going in that?
Yeah.